you're on an employer health insurance plan past 65, there's an important thing to be double checking this year to avoid a lapse in coverage or ultimately penalties. So in this video, let's talk about what that rule is and why it's different in some ways and what you can do about it to again have the best health coverage. I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach. We're an independent fee-based consultant helping you easily navigate Medicare rules and insurance company confusion to protect your healthcare rights as well as your retirement savings. And if you want more about Medicare, there's free resources down below to give you the shortcut to Medicare. So if you're on an employer plan past 65, in the upcoming year, the rules are getting more strict, okay? So Medicare rules overall say by the time that you're 65, you either need to be on Medicare or on an employer health insurance plan that meets Medicare rules. And if you don't meet those requirements, that you will have penalties. So those rules include the company has to have 20 employees or more. It cannot require you to have Medicare Part A or B coverage. And the third one is you have to have creditable prescription drug coverage. What does that mean? It means the plan on average covers medications as well as or better than Medicare. Now in 2025, the Part D requirements are getting more strict. They're getting more, specifically the deductible or the max you can pay out of pocket is coming down significantly. And for that reason, if your employer health insurance, if it met the rules last year, it's not guaranteed to meet the rules this year because again, the Medicare bar is getting more strict. So it's important to double check that your employer plan still meets these rules. And if it doesn't, you should consider joining other parts of Medicare as of January 1. Now, the best way to confirm if it meets the Medicare rules is to go to the benefit person at your company. In most cases, in about October or November, companies will send you a letter saying specifically that your plan is Medicare creditable. Keep that letter for your reference because you'll probably need to have that letter in the future when you do join Medicare to avoid any penalties. So my point is this, the rules are getting more strict. Ask your benefit person at your company if it still meets those rules. And if it doesn't, you should consider joining Medicare. But just because your employer plan met Medicare rules last year, it does not mean it will meet Medicare rules this year. And if it doesn't still meet Medicare rules, if you go to join Medicare, you can have penalties. It can be hard to get plans. Other things come into play. So please be thoughtful, do what's right for you. And again, be thoughtful on this creditable coverage to make sure your employer plan meets the correct rules. Again, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach. Make sure you click the link below to like us and to follow more for inside tips. Here's helping you easily make your right Medicare decision.